Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. I am Brandy, aka Mama Vapes and Diamond Paints. So I've been trying to get my hands on one of these canvases for a while now, and because everything's so crazy right now and you can't get anything, or not you can't get anything, but there's a lot of stuff that's hard to get right now because of everything's so backed up in the mail and the situations that are going on in the pandemic and blah blah blah. People are out of stock of a lot of stuff, and it's taking them a lot longer to restock right now. Not any fault of their own. So when I heard there was a restock on this, I jumped. So what is it? I'm really excited. I'm really excited about it. I'm getting there. I promise I am. I'm not trying to do any anticipation right here. Well, maybe a little bit, but anyhow, I didn't only get one. I got two because I had two and I couldn't decide which one I liked more, and I was having a hard time. So I'm like, you know what? They've been hard to get. They're elusive. I'm going to get two of them. And they are crystal canvas art designs. They are the full crystal ones. So we're going to do the littler one first, and then we'll do the bigger one next. So it took a week to get them. I ordered them a week ago and they got here yesterday. So I don't think that's bad at all. I actually am not like at all. I think that's totally completely, it's actually kind of quick. So, and I know we've seen a lot of these unboxed, so you guys know that they're poured glue and that they are full crystal canvases. I think if you have ones that have black 310s on them, I think the 310s are not gonna be the crystals, but I think the rest of everything else. So I got this. This is my first one, and it is Rainbow Rings mandala, and it was $24. So obviously it's poured glue. It is very sticky. Very sticky. It has 29 colors. I just really like this one. It's really pretty to me. I like the bright colors with the white background, and I don't think I'm going to be able to get this to flatten out very well right now. The canvas is pretty thick, but it is like a stiffer canvas, so I don't know how well this is gonna flatten out. It's not too hard to flatten out. It is wrinkled, but it doesn't look creased, which is different to me. Sorry, this is gonna be loud. And we're gonna look at these because this is my first one and I really want to see what I have in here. I really want to look at these. So I have a whole bag of 29, which looks like it's just a clear silver one. 2 bags of that, yay. And that is the last color, so we're going to put him down here. I do have a couple strays that are falling out. That can happen on if the baggies, like if they have like a little stray in the top of it. It just is kind of hazard of the job. So this is a really pretty color. I love like teals and turquoisey colors. So that's going to be number 9. 25 is a pink, and then 10 is a really light pink, like a baby pink. Then we have 26, another teal color. We have 27, which is a dark like a dark teal, maybe bluish color. And then 28, like a gold, almost like a sunshine. I really like that color. It's really pretty. 24 is like a darker or brighter pink. Not sure what the correct term for that is. This is a really light pink, number 23. I like that the colors are just a couple variations different because that will kind of help it flow together. I have a lot of little stragglers coming out everywhere. So 18 is a bluish gray. Number 1, another pinkish purple. 12 is a pretty green. It's like a kind of a lime green. And 11 is a dark green. Oh, I think I already showed you 18. Sorry. I'm kind of getting a little mixed up over here. So number 8, again, another dark pink. 13 is a yellow. It's got a little stray in there. 22 is a sunshine yellow, very light color yellow. 7 is purple. It's a really pretty purple. Number 6, that is, I think that's like the same color as like my birthstone, and I can't think of the name of the color. It's very similar to my birthstone at least. Here's a purplish color, and it is number 2. I wouldn't call it lavender, maybe like a dark lavender. And then 14, another pretty light yellowish color. And 15, a lot of my bags got stragglers at the top. Another really pretty pink for 15. 17 is a gorgeous blue. 16 is a gray. I really like that. It's like a steel color, like a gunmetal gray. I have 19, a really gorgeous orange. 20, a beautiful blue. And 21, need to make room for them there. Number 3, a really pretty pink again. We have some really pretty colors in this. I'm actually really excited about this canvas. Another really pretty gray. And number 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So I have all my colors, and this is the first canvas, and I'm going to pause the video, clean this mess up. Oh, I should show you the toolkit since it's my first crystal art canvas. I won't go through both of them, and I'm not going to examine the drill field super close on this one. We'll do it on the other one. So in the toolkit you get a pad of wax, a boat, some baggies, you know, the generic metal tweezers, like aluminum almost, and a, sorry guys, and a drill pen. So, well, a very pumpkin and spice generic toolkit, which is totally fine because I have enough pins and boats and everything else of the ones that I prefer anyways, so I'm not super concerned with that being a generic toolkit. Most of us by now have so many things that we prefer more than the others that it's not, that doesn't bother me at all. So this is the first one. Like I said, pause it real quick and I will be right back for the second one. Okay, this is the second one from the Crystal Canvas Art Designs that I ordered, and this one just, oh my gosh, it has everything that I love, and I needed it. I had to have it. Now the end is a little smashed. I don't think that's going to be a problem, but just so you know, the end is squished. It's not, it doesn't look like the canvas is smashed at all, so that's totally fine with me if the end is smashed. I did show in one of my other videos that I have, but the canvas is, I just wanted to insert a little bit of an audio clip in here to let you know that I did hear back from Amy from Crystal Canvas Art Designs about the canvas that was the elephant with the one that was kind of smashed. Anyhow, she was amazing. I did not realize that she was on vacation when I emailed the Crystal Canvas art design email to let them know about the issue, and somebody replied right away, explained to me that they were having a few issues, but that she would let Amy know. And Amy actually took time on her vacation to email me back personally, and she was extremely apologetic, which it wasn't her fault. I am not upset about it at all. But not only that, she had explained, and then she released a little bit of a video herself saying that the canvas was actually printed wrong also. Now, I don't have any problem with how it's printed whatsoever. I actually really like the canvas. I just wanted to let them know how it came, because it was folded backwards and it just had issues. And she offered several times to replace this canvas for me. I explained to her that I did not need it replaced, that I think it would be just fine after being under my mattress. And I actually have had it under my mattress since I unboxed it last week. I haven't put this video up because I was waiting to see, and the canvas is completely, totally fine now. And I just want folded, so I'm not sure why it's folded like that. That might be a problem. It is literally folded like the wrong way. So I'm not sure how that's going to happen. But, and again, we have the toolkit. We're not going to go over it because we just did, but it's the same toolkit. Bag of drills. There's 310 in this one, and I already see a loose one, so I can tell that it's not crystal. So like I had said on the other one, I think the 310s are regular. I'm not sure why this was put in there like that, though. That does make me a little concerned. I have heard nothing but fantastic stuff. It is, I don't know how this is done. It's done in 2 pieces, which is, I guess, kind of cool. I've just never seen that before, because then you don't have to use them. I've been using release papers on mine just because I'm not a big fan of the plastic covers. So I've been changing it anyways, and putting release papers and taking off the clear, because I don't like the clear covers. They are annoying. They get on my nerves. They are a pain in the butt. So I should hopefully be able to flatten this out. I just don't know why they would. I don't necessarily mean the company. Maybe it came like this from the manufacturer. That's what I would assume anyways. And again, this canvas is stiff, but it's not a bad canvas. It just is stiff. But I'm trying to see where this was folded all weird, if it's going to be okay, or if it did any damage to the glue. If it didn't do any damage to the glue, then I will just contact Amy and let her know how it came, so she can make sure she contacts or if she wants to contact the manufacturer, she can let them know how I received this. But it doesn't look like there's damage to the actual canvas, so it should be okay. As long as I can just flatten this out for a little bit, it should be okay. So anyhow, now that I'm over that, this canvas has so many things that I love. Elephants are my absolute favorite animal, besides dogs, of course. But I mean, like, wild animals, I just have they remind me of my grandma, and I know that sounds weird, but they do. They remind me of my grandma, and I love them, and they're just so caring and nurturing, and I love how they are with their families. And sugar skulls are one of my favorite things. I have love for bright colors, and the half moon, everything on here are things that I just adore. This is a 50 by 50. Here is the thumbnail. It has 29 colors, and it is just absolutely adorable. I want to show you guys the drill field a little better on this one. Trying to get rid of some of that glare, but The drill field looks good. There isn't any issues that I can tell with the symbols or any of the, nothing looks the same. It doesn't look confusing at all. She's got a few numbers and a lot of letters, and there are not, it doesn't look there like there. She has number 8, so there's not a B, which is amazing that they're not going to be super confusing. I have a couple canvases that have symbols that are, I have one that I'm working on that has M's and W's, and they're right next to each other, like all mixed in, and they're similar colors. And I know it seems ridiculous, but it makes my eyes go all super bonkers when I'm trying to work on it. So I have to do very little sections, like only a couple rows at a time, so I don't go completely crazy. So that's my little one. I love him. And it's called Moon and Back. When I saw this one, I just knew I wanted to have it. See, there is creasing. I think this will be okay though if I put it under the mattress in the like cardboard like portfolio type thing I got. Give me 1 second to open these so it's not super loud while I'm talking. Okay, so number 24. It's like a dark gray. I wonder which one this is, because I could be wrong about, yeah, I am. These are all this 24, so it is a like a dark gray or a 310 maybe. I don't know where the other random round 310 I got came. So 24 looks like a really dark gray or black. 23. Oh, 2 bags of 24. Yay. Has to be a 310 color, huh? I'm just going to kind of go through these and show them to you, and I will count them and let you know if I had everything. Really pretty teals. Again, favorite color. Look at all these different teals that are all together. I love this. We have another tealy color and a green. These are really, really pretty. So I'm just gonna, like I said, a quick little go through some of these and show them to you really quickly, and I'll let you know if I have everything or if I'm missing anything. I haven't seen a lot of people have any shortages from Amy at all, so I'm not worried about that. And overall, they seem to have good quality canvases, so those things I'm not concerned about. And yeah, there we have it. So these, like I said, were ordered on the 13th, and I got them yesterday and opened them today. So they took a week from ordering to getting them, and I don't think that's a long time to wait, especially with the way shipping and everything is right now. I'm actually really pleased with this so far. I will contact Amy and let her know that this one was packaged pretty squished, but as you can see, it wasn't, the box isn't damaged at all, and both of these boxes came in a box, so none of that's damaged. This must have come from the factory or somewhere like this. So I'm going to let her know, but overall I don't think it's going to affect it. I will leave the information in the description box, and if you have any questions or any comments, leave them down for me below, and I will do my best to answer them as soon as possible. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon to be notified anytime I post a new video. Bye guys!